In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsort data in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself accidentally sorting your spreadsheet and wishing you could return it to its original order, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to get everything back in place. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process clearly and concisely. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet where you had your data sorted. Make sure you're on the right sheet that needs adjusting. Once you're in your spreadsheet, go ahead and click on cell C1. You'll notice that this cell, likely being a header, sets the foundation for the column you might have sorted initially. Clicking on it will help you prepare for the subsequent steps. Next, look at the top menu bar where you'll see Data. Click on it. This drop-down menu provides several options related to how your data can be organized and manipulated. For the purposes of this tutorial, we are particularly focused on the sorting functions. From the Data menu, you'll want to choose Sort Sheet. This option is designed to let you order the entire spreadsheet based on the values in the column you selected, which in our case was column C. Once you click Sort Sheet, you'll see further sorting options. Now, select Sort Sheet by column C, A to Z, from the secondary menu that appears. This function arranges all the rows of your spreadsheet alphabetically based on column C. But if you've done this accidentally and wish to revert back to your previous arrangement, worry not. The simplest and most effective way to undo changes is by utilizing the Undo shortcut. To unsort your data and revert to its original format, simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This shortcut applies to most actions within Google Sheets. It's like a magic reverse button that cancels out the last action you performed, whether it was sorting, typing, or formatting. If you ever feel stuck, Ctrl+Z is usually your best friend to get your work back on track. And that's it. You've just learned how to navigate the sorting and unsorting features within Google Sheets, bringing your data back to its original order. Remember, unsorting is essentially the act of undoing the previous sort action, which means having a keen eye on what you're undoing is helpful to ensure no unintentional mistakes. I hope you found this tutorial useful for managing your data with confidence and ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.